In this video, we will learn how you can add a branding watermark to your YouTube videos. Consequently, launch the YouTube dashboard and select Customization from the menu on the left. After that, click on Branding to view a few different items. You can see a video watermark if you scroll all the way down. You could have one, or you could not. We already have, and we'll fix that. However, you can view some display times before we update that. As a result, you have the option to display your watermark at the end of your video, at a specific start time, or throughout the entire clip. Here, we have consistently opted to go for the video's end. Thus, we wish to alter it right away. Click on Change for this, and we'll make the change right away. You then want to crop it appropriately and click Done. That is how it will appear. Click the Publish button. You can see this particular video if you visit one of our YouTube videos. Coming to the benefits of adding branding watermark images. While they are watching a video, it is pretty simple to get them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and interested. On YouTube videos, information about your channel and a simple way to subscribe is displayed when users move their cursor over your branding watermark. Of course, we all want more subscribers. They may easily visit your channel to view all of your other videos if they are already subscribers and hover their cursor over the branding watermark on your YouTube video. In either case, you and your audience will benefit. Thanks for watching.